Obviously, construction is not beautiful, right? But the Purple Line wanted to make it a little more appealing for pedestrians walking by, for the community. And so they put out a design example and brought in the rest of the community to sort of give input and make it stronger and make sure that it represents downtown Silver Spring. When you think of construction and construction disruption and you're having your own woes about it, think about how much that impacts the small businesses that are behind these walls, and definitely put it into your regular routine to really visit them and discover Bonifant. You can follow us on @DiscoverBonifant on Facebook and Instagram, and we also have Twitter.